how to transfer from Lobstr to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, you just have to open up your Binance account, and over here, suppose we want to receive USDC in our Binance account from Lobstr, so we will just select USDC. After that, we will click on this option of deposit. Over here, we will select Stellar Network. Make sure that you select Stellar Network because we are using Lobstr. After that, just click OK and copy this particular address. Then go to Lobstr, and on Lobstr, just click on the three lines at the top left hand side corner. Then click on this option of send. After that, select Stellar Wallet. Now paste the address that we just copied from Binance and click on continue. Wait for it to load. Then select USDC at the top and type the amount that you want to send, and then click on continue. After that, it will ask you to provide transaction memo. For that, just go to Binance again, copy the USDC memo and go to the Lobstr, and over here just paste this memo and click on send. And that's how you send from Lobstr to Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.